Hey, welcome. It's Sohan Bhavkar here. In this video, concept of work and energy will be clear crystal to you. We will also learn forms of energy such as light energy, heat energy, electrical energy, and sound energy. First, we will start with work. What comes to your mind when you hear work? Are you thinking about your school homework or the work of cleaning house? Today, my work is to make video for you. We do different type of work in our everyday life, like carrying a school bag, jogging, playing football, thinking, studying, writing, etc. All these are either physical or mental work. Now, can you think of definition of work? Work is said to be done only when force applied on an object cause it to move in the direction of force. Thus, work is when force and displacement get involved in it. The movement of an object from one position to another position is called displacement. If there is no displacement, then no work is said to be done through a large amount of force is applied on an object. Now, can you guess where the work is done? Yes, you are right. In first picture, as there is no displacement, no work is done. But as you can see, in second and third picture, the work is done as there is displacement, as it involves the force and displacement. Just for getting the work more crystal clear to you, here are some more examples. In first picture, as there is displacement, so the work is done. In second picture, a child is pushing the wall with a lot of force, but the wall does not move. So work is not done in this case. In third case, when we read a book, there is no displacement, hence no physical work is done while reading the book. As there is a displacement in the fourth picture, the work is done. In fifth picture, while listening to music, no work is done. And in same case to sixth picture, no work is done while playing video games. Just before moving forward to the forms of energy, we will understand what is energy. Energy is nothing but the ability to do work. Everyone need energy to do work. When we have more energy, we can do more work. And when we have less energy, our ability to do work reduces. From where does this energy forms? Food forms this energy to do work. Our food has different types of nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Now let's move toward the sources of energy. The light energy. Light energy is one of the most important form of energy as it helps us to see objects. The sun is most important and largest source of light on earth. Plants prepare food with the help of light energy. Electrical bulb, tube lights, and candles are some of the sources of light energy. Now let's move little forward. Now comes the heat energy. In our homes, we use this form of energy to cook food. Burning fuels such as coal, LPGs, and kerosene release heat energy. It also used to drive vehicles to run steam energy. As you know, train needs a lot of coal to run its engine. Now comes the electrical energy. Today, our lives are totally dependent on electrical energy. Can you look around you? There are mobile, fan, TV, light, refrigerator. Everything is made up of electrical energy. The electricity is generated at power station or supplied to our homes. Which energy helps to hear you this video? Yes, you are right. It's sound energy. When we are speaking, we are producing sound energy. If you touch the speaker of a music system while a song is being played, you would be feeling the vibrations. Sound energy is made from this vibration. Television sets, radios, speakers are sources of sound energy. Musical instruments such as drum, flute, sitar, tabla, violin, etc. produce varieties of sound. Birds such as peacock, parrot, crow, pigeon produces different sounds. Now that's enough for today's video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.